This honest and true video for you is on this portable monitor by VILVA. I have gone through three of these and I am very impressed with this product. This sheet right here, when you first opened it, is on top and it goes through in detail the exact cords that you need to install it for various different items. You can use it as a full function side monitor, full function monitor, and it tells you the different things that it connects with the laptop. Oh, this was excellent. They have a QR code which immediately leads you to any kind of help. This is the setup that I chose to do. It's a side monitor for my laptop. I have an HP Windows laptop. I chose to use Anchor in the middle where I have it connected just as a pass through because I have so many things plugged into the side of my computer with various speakers and monitors and microphones. And it was a simple plug and play. Two plugs. There's also other plugs on the side there. That's where you would toggle it if you want to change the screen, the contrast, the brightness, any of that can be changed there. This product is excellent. This user's guide comes on top attached to the screen. Get a great look at it, QR codes everywhere, and easy access for help. I am very happy with this product, and the help on it has been fantastic.